up the broadcast tonight, let's bring to you up to speed with the latest numbers and exit poll predictions that we are seeing on Bihar, drawing to a close as final phase of voting concluded. The state saw historic voter turnout in both phases. 65.08% in phase 1 and in the phase 2 it was 68.76 in the second phase. Overall average of 66.91% turning out, which is the highest since 1951. And here is the gender-wise breakdown that the opposition parties have been asking for. 62.8% male voters, 71.6% women voters. Will they hold the keys? And now let's take a look at the projections. First up are JVC Shriram's numbers coming up on the screen, and this is the vote share. 43.5 to 46.5% for the NDA, Mahagathbandhan at 40.5 to 43, 6 to 7% for the Jan Swaraj Party, others at 6.5 to 7%. As far as the seat share is concerned, it is 135 to 150 for the NDA, 88 to 103 for the Mahagathbandhan. The party-wise breakup on your screens: BJP is greater than JDU. Questions will happen tomorrow and day after on that one. In Mahagathbandhan, once again, Mr. Rahul Gandhi below the 20% success rate. If these predictions are going to be true, 10 to 12 seats out of the 61 they fought, 69 to 80 seats for the RJD. Poll of poll numbers also coming up on your screens, ladies and gentlemen. And this poll of poll average number of all the polls that we put out, Metrize, People's Insight, DV Research, Pollstrat, Chanakya, PMark, all of them, average number turns out to be 161 to 181 for the NDA, 59 to 75 for the Mahagathbandhan, 0 to 3 for the Jan Swaraj Party, and 1 to 4 for the others, including the AIMIM. Whichever way you look at it, it's unidirectional. All polls indicating NDA government in Bihar. Modi and Nitish Kumar work once again, and Rahul Gandhi once again contributes to bringing down his alliance partner Tejaswi Yadav. Well, that is Bihar for you. We leave it at that. Thank you very much. Good night. Be safe. I'll be back tomorrow with the News Hour at 9.